Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking earbuds. This is called Wireless Earbuds and it's modeled S61. Yes, it is a beautiful Bluetooth 5.2 with hi-fi stereo. This has the IPX7 waterproof and built-in HD mic. And I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification icon, select all, in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. And here are all the components that are part of the box. It comes with this user manual, which is written in a lot of different languages. And in order to get the English one, you have to go inside. And here you go. So you can see that they are in different languages. The middle one is going to be English. Now it will tell you the product diagram and what you can do. We will cover that in this video. Also, there's going to be more information on functional operation and how you will be able to select and do more with it. And also it talks about pairing operation, charging, and some question answers. So that way it makes it very simple for you to play with this and also learn more. It also comes with this charging wire, which is USB type A to USB type C. And this way it charges your docking station a lot faster and the wire is not that long. And the big moment is the actual docking station, which is sitting inside of a little plastic so that way it doesn't get scratched up. And once you take it out, this is how it looks. I really like the design that these guys put together for this. Kind of looks like the Mandalorian. Alright, so let's just get it open. When you open the top, the actual earbuds are sitting inside of it and you can take it out. And as you can see, there is no disconnection to it. So that way, this cannot lose any charge. So I like that design that it is white, but the inside is all black. And there is connectors inside of it. To look in the back, there's the part that goes through. There's the hinge. I really like how they have made it so it doesn't bend down that much. But once you close it, it makes that little noise so you know that, okay, it's closed. And the charging port is in the bottom, but there's no other writing on this so we can say which company this belongs to. I like that it is very nicely created. And no, there is no way that you can put fingerprint residue on it. I like that too. And now to charge it, we take the wire that comes with it and we have to hook it up in the bottom. And if you really pay attention, you will see that it shows exactly how much percent this docking station have already. And it's still charging now. This is how it really looks. Everything is nicely done on it. The earpiece also, it will tell you, put a little writing over here saying this is the right one. And then once you go to the back, you can see that there is a little sensor or the mic. You go into the bottom is the charging port. Now going on the top part, there's nothing here, but I really like how this has been designed, and that way it goes inside of your ear. Now when you look on the other side, it looks exactly identical, but it has the lift icon on this side. We'll really like that, how it's been done. Going to the back part of it, you can see that it has the little mic going down. You have the charging port again on this side, but this is how it really puts together. There's nothing else is involved in this that I could say here you go, but this is how everything looks. So in order to initiate the actual earbuds, we have to put them back in its place. So make sure you put the proper one on a proper section. There you go. And now it has been placed properly. And now it's time to pair the earbuds. We have to go to our Bluetooth settings. And over here, it says that it's searching. Now, if you scroll down, anything that will be found will be in the bottom. So for that, we will take one of these earbuds out. And as you can see right now, it shows that they are charging. And if I have to take one out, and there you go, you can see that right now this is available for it to get paired. So we will click on search. and it should find it very easily. And there you go, it says S61, we will select that. And now it says to pair it, we will select pair. And now on the top it says that it has 90% battery, and now it's time for it to see exactly what's involved in it. So there you go, now it shows that it is connected. If I go to this little wheel, now it shows the name. Also it shows that we can pick up calls and listen to some audio, which is perfect. And if I have to pick this up, you can see in the bottom that will tell you about the renaming, disconnection, and unpair. So now for testing, I have our own video running from YouTube, and we will try to see if the tab really works, and it does. It looks like it just switched to another video. And here you go, we're back. So if I have to tap it once, it pauses. If I have to tap it again, it plays it for you very quickly. Have you noticed that how fast the latency is when you are trying to tap? So it's very quick. I really like that how this really works and how fast this will really function. So this was just to show you exactly how fast you can process your touch sensitivity on this earbuds. So let's go next and try to record some sound to show you exactly how it will sound when you're on the call. So in this test right now, you're listening to me from this camera itself. There should be a little indentation on the top that will tell you once we start recording using the phone itself. So in that case, just to let you know, I am wearing the earbuds, and we're just going to start recording to see exactly how good this will really sound. So for that, we will just tap, and now the indentation starts, and here's the sound. So I cannot really hear myself talking, but I am sure that you can hear that it is very nice and loud. So this is how it really sounds when you're inside of a room, and there should be a little noise in the background, and if not, that is part of this earbud itself that does the job accurately for you. So this is how it really sounds, and I hope you guys really like it. And we will go back to the camera itself to show you exactly how it sounds now that is recording directly from the camera itself. These are the little differences. All the links will be available in the bottom where you can order this from, except that this was our take. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.